Okay, hi, hamba nami guys, namhlanje ngine team and siyavaya. We're going to Bram to fetch isuti because ngo4 ngine-interview channel O with Robot Boii. Sipholile yasazi R&B, and then now we're going to shoot club yami more level.
Where?
Yeah, we're gonna be shooting a music video. A poetry remix, a bar. Understand? So please stay tuned left vlog. It's gonna be SPLent. Hambanam. Hi. XC. What level? We're at the some stylist in Midrand and we're about to look down house party.
Do something crazy, like a backflip, please.
Huh?
Do something crazy like a
Yo, you know I can't backflip, Mos.
Come on, man.
But then I can do this. Everyone is here, the whole game is here. You have Costa, you have Lucas Raps, Shims, PH, understand? Robert. Choppa. Yo, everyone, the game is like the whole game is here, you understand? So it's a very special day, you dig?
You're gonna be on one of these.
Okay.
Yeah? We're gonna mic you up on a headset, get you a pack and then Choppa game.
Yo, Papa game I have. What do you mean, man?
Trust. You need the Choppa game.
So you're just gonna take his podcast?
Oh, bro.
No, I'm on 11.
What are you doing?
Hey, say me, face.
Man, you must, same time.
Okay, yeah.
It's like that thing when they say, what in the...
And then you shake again. It's the brand level, you must respect the brand level. Yeah, does. She's in Poli. Hi, Costa. Funny Steve.
About 3 songs, eh? Willie, if anyone wants to go, so what I want to do now is I want to just play like 2 joints, touchline goes on. So what this whole thing is like I'm introducing the next dudes who are going to fuck the streets up. And so yeah, it's...
Hi, Ambanam. Kakis, yeah. Can you put him in the Palka level, ne? I'm going to change now, you dig? Because I'm changing from late to H&B.
Yes.
So after I've heard the song, you're gonna see a different me. Okay. Guys, man, you're changing H&B. Hanyamaz now. Nyandas pulili H&B in the flesh. I'm just gonna go look down house party. Hambanam.
You should have taken the gin out.
No, it's fine. The gin is gonna make me see. Even the lid's gonna see the S.
The fuck.
So the mommy game can laugh.
Got to extra lama move now. Now I can't shake so man.
114.
Hello, man. You're one of them, but the girl also man of shit. They some quite quick.
Yo, my name is King.
Another one.
Yo, man, there's a lot of flavors here.
How are you?
I sure think you're gonna take money.
Okay, oh yeah, okay, oh yeah, ulezi womzulu, khuluma izulu, ephuza izulu, waduma izulu, ebuka amazulu.
Hambanam. Who's the new robot? Here's this level. I like this guy too. Yeah. XA. Jaden Smith? Oh, Will Smith.
Yeah, Will Smith, Jaden Smith. Una 1.
Una 2.
Una 3.
Una 4.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Yeah, fuck. Okay. Okay. And then hooray.
Hip hip.
Okay, so una 1, una 2, una 3. Hip hip. Hooray.
And then the rest will talk.
Yeah, we're gonna just go with the channel.
Ulezi womzulu, khuluma izulu ephuza izulu waduma izulu ebuka amazulu ibhola washawa izulu wavele washona backstage
Isidingo.
isibaya
Generations.
uzalo
Karabo.
moroka
Tau.
how long masai
Saboul.
hayi hamba nami
Yela, new wave.
two wave
Costa Titch.
hayi uyamazi ukukhosa isteve
Will.
umshushisi
Umshupelo.
huyi umshuphelo
Yeah? Aye, you're under arrest.
Okay.
The handcuffs, which one?
oh handcuffs hey we mama yogogo we hey
You guys always say the streets always improvise, man. Everything you see on Agent R&B is improvising. No strips, zero. Give us zero, man, for strips. But otherwise, inside, hamba nam.
Is that what you pull up with? You understand? You know, always improvise. Though. Yeah. Improvise. When you guys shooting another R&B concert
Badala ngisho abakwazi.
Abakwazi.
Still abakwazi.
Aye.
Hamba nam.
So that was the craziest thing. That was a crazy shot. Out here, 4K in the cut.
Hey. Cut.
With my phone also shooting 4.1K. Lockdown house party. The whole gang's in the building. If you know this funny face, it means you have data.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah, I mean, it's really beautiful just to see more people just fighting. This, like, R&B, what? Like, this is a different series. Like, it's a different world. It's a different channel on its own. Then you got what? Then you got Robot Boii on lockdown. Then you got incorporating that still. You got Robot Boii as an artist, incorporating that still. You got Robot Boii as a dancer who can put in the mascot. Like, what the fuck? And having people like that around us has to be inspiring. If you're not inspired by that, you're probably inspired by people that are not doing good, and that's probably not.
Oh, you were talking about this yesterday.
Yeah.
ne?
I mean, how don't you get inspired by someone doing good? How? Seeing content every time. Out of taxis, like how? You know, and for me, then just makes me want to just go back to the drawing board. I'm like, I'm not working enough. That's how I need to feel. That's how I need to come here. I need to come to your crib and be like, yo, hi, I'm Sevens. Let me go work. I'm not working enough.
Gabi,
So they'll be used to
where's your underpants?
Because actually